It's already 5:21 a.m. and we'll be doing our 6th biking session. So we're heading now to Nubali. So dadalhin ko ang aking kotse ngayon, and fortunately wala pa tayong bike rack. So in the meantime, kakarga ko muna siya doon sa loob. And this is somehow a fun activity kasi apart from doing biking, this is also a ride for a cause. So every kilometer we do, we give something, like I don't know, no, kung 20 or 30 pesos per every kilometer yung gagawin namin. So yun lang guys. So see you later at the Bali. In the meantime, pasok ko muna tong aking bisikleta. Right? See you guys. What's up? Dito na tayo sa Nubali and dumadating na yung mga kasama natin, Boss Rainier, tapos ibang mga healthy boys andito na rin. So see you guys later sa Ahon. What's up?
Yo, whoa! I don't win.
You know?
Agad na. Alam, bilis oh. Bilis nito ah. Sana hindi yan magano.
White, orange.
Anong kulay? Ito.
Ayun ang kulay dito.
Ginit.
Parang makares.
Pwede na magsagad. Pwede na magsagad magbike.
Meron ka ng road tag, pre. Huwag mo nang patulan to.
Iba yan, iba yung linky band. Iba yung...
Layo pa ng pinanggalingan.
Wala yung pinanggalingan.
Ayan, tigisa kayo, tigisa.
Picture. So guys, tapos kami sa bike session. 10:30 na. Ayan, mga kasama natin. Ayan, mga kasama natin. So 10:30 na guys. See you again sa 7th bike session natin. Alright, thank you guys.